Hi, this is Jesse here from SkyCiv, and today I'm going to be introducing the quick design Weld group capacity calculators. I can find these if I search for Weld in the quick design library, and I can see that we have an American, European, and Australian version of the tool. I'll open up the European version so we can take a look. Here we can see that the main inputs that we require for this design are the section properties for the weld, the material properties for the weld, the geometry of the weld, which we can use known section sizes to help us generate where those welds are going to go. We can then also customize and edit the weld geometry if we wanted to remove any particular welds or add any additional welds. And finally, we require the design loads, for which we can apply loads in any axial direction or for any moment direction. These loads will get resolved into shear forces that are applied to the weld group using linear elastic theory and will allow us to get a utilization for that weld group. Finally, we can run our design and we'll see that in the center of this page we have a report generated that shows the calculations for that weld group and generates a utilization that we can use to verify if this weld group has capacity in accordance with the European standard. Finally, on the right, we can also see a summary of our outputs, which is also the final results that are provided in our PDF report. This has been an introduction to the Weld Group Capacity Calculator. If you're interested in watching design examples, you can continue to watch the following videos in the series. Thank you.